Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning everyone. 4:14 na po. Time check. 4:14 everyone. And dito na ako sa road. Ay, malamig. Malamig yung trouser ko. Hindi ko tinignan anong degrees ngayon. Today is Tuesday. 17th of December. Ayan, ang degrees is the same, 6. And then yung lowest is 6 also. And the highest is 10. Everyone. So, ayun lang ang update ko sa inyo. Pero nagmo-moist yung mga car. Kasi, lamig. Kailangan natin ng ayun lang everyone. At, mayang buntag sa inyong tanan. Happy days to the universe. Amen. And God bless everyone. See you when I see you. 15 minutes walk and 1 bus. Bye-bye. Good morning everyone. Yeah, breakfast tayo. My coffee is here. Ayan ang aking, yung iba, unti lang kami ngayon kasi may sakit yung ibo. Sakit yata ngayon na pera sakit. Sakit. Kailangang mag-earn ng pounds, everyone. Ayan ang Christmas tree dito sa job work ko. Good afternoon, everyone. Quarter to 12. Yan ang aking inihandang lunch namin ni nanay. Ngayon lang ako nakatapos. Kaya mag-watch tayo ng tanggol, everyone. Bye at the moment and para makapag-nap ako agad. Bye! See you when I see you. Ayan, good afternoon everyone. Natapos na rin ang kanilang water Thames construction. Ay, hindi, sorry. Pipe filter. Ay, no, sorry. Ewan ko, basta, yun na lang yun. Good afternoon everyone. No road close na doon. Kaya pwede na tayo kahit saan access. Pwede na ulit sumakay ng bus 98 para madali yung lakad. Malapit lang, I mean. And this is at the moment, see you in the, malapit na po ako sa train station. See you in the Aldgate after 2 trains, everyone. Kasi ayan lang everyone, bye at the moment. At sandali lang naman ako magtrabaho doon. Oh no, just 1 hour. Ayan lang, bye. Good evening everyone. Pauwi na, bigla umulan pa. Ayan, sakto paglabas ng train, everyone. Medyo malayo din tong lakad papunta sa bahay. So, kailangan pang magbukas ng payong. Or else, magiging mag-aano ako, mababasa. Ang lakas din to eh. Malakas din ang ulan, everyone. Tingnan niyo, ang kotse. Basa agad. Tapos, may hangin pa. Kaya lumilipad yung ano. Ayan, everyone. Bye at the moment. See you later. Ayan, good evening everyone. It's dinner time while watching Tanggol, everyone. May green tea as usual. Every night yan may green tea. And then salad tayo at saka chicken wings. Yan lang everyone. At meron pala si Melay pa. Dunkin Donut. Good night, God bless, and